bumper off. Factory Airboxmod Part 2. As you can see, this is my intake resonator here. Alright, to get this off, we're gonna have two bolts back here. One bolt here and the bolt there. And boom, got the resonator out. Basically just remove the whole intake resonator. See, we want this, we want to keep this. We can finish going out drilling. It was just too hot to be sitting out there. Dang, I left my hammer out there. Oh man, I need my hammer. We're gonna finish drilling these holes, and what we're gonna do basically, we're gonna knock this out with the hammer, because I want this to still be part of the tube, because I want the direct flow of the airflow. So still gonna keep this tube. I just want to knock this portion out, this front portion. That's what I want to do. This portion right here, at least till, I wish I had a Dremel. I can cut it, but I want to cut it all the way across. Right there, as you can see, all the way across, knocking this hump out. That way I can have a little bit of better airflow with this. I'm gonna knock this out real quick. I probably can set you guys up. All the way around the backside. Yeah, it's not an even cut, I don't care. Who's gonna see it anyway? It's gonna be behind the bumper. But went all the way around. And another thing, what I'm gonna do, I'm really debating on it, because I don't have fog lights on here right now, is to open up another airflow pathway directly, because the intake resonator sits directly, literally right above this, just like that, somewhere in there. The setup is like that, so I kind of want the airflow. I'm probably gonna drill out a little area, which I'm debating on doing this or not. Only for a couple of reasons, but I think I'm gonna do it anyway because it's something different. So I tried banging it out with the hammer. There's some hard, tough plastic here, man. To be real with y'all, it is tough, but I got another idea, which I've been using. It's cut around where I drill the circles at, where the holes at. So basically, putting in each hole, and I'm squeezing and cutting. Oh, my bad. Putting in each hole, squeezing and cutting all the way around. And that's what I'm doing right now. This requires two hands, so I'm gonna have to get back with you guys after. All right, here we go. All done. Sits up in the bumper just like that. Truck over here. Get right in that corner. Right up in there. Then it's gonna lead to the top until this portion. You get what I'm saying? Alright, so when I'm about to do nothing, get ready to put it all back together. This is what I wanted to do for the Factory Airboxmod Part 2. Open this up. Did them from the front, drilling from the front, that way the crusty part will be looking at the back, but I clean the front up, it's no problem. As you can see, you look all the way around. Got that just like that. Alright, y'all, I'm getting ready to reinstall everything. Just follow the same steps in the beginning. You should be good. And other than that, man, I'm gonna let you guys hear everything once I start it back up, have everything reassembled, and we should be good to go. Alright, peace out. Before I do anything, let it run for 15 minutes, let the ECU relearn itself. Give y'all a better look at it. As you can see, right back up in there. There you go. Cut job ain't the best cut job, but let's see. What's up, y'all? Alright, so basically what I did, the holes that I drilled out, as you can see, I created an opening, a port opening for on both sides, because I didn't want one side to look worse than the other one. And that's pretty much it. That's my factory Airboxmod part 2. See how this works out.